so far, but he's here to fight. This is shaping up to be a personal war, and right now, it's anybody's boxing match.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi to everyone. My name is Khairul Ikhwan bin Dilihi. I'm from Faculty Sport Science and Recreation SR243, and today I would like to talk about motor control and learning, part 1, which is the topic called as Neuromotor, basis for motor control. Okay, what is neuromotor system? Neuromotor system is a part of a nervous system that involved in control and coordinating the voluntary movement. For example, like playing a bicycle, kicking a ball, playing badminton, anything, a movement of muscle that you can control and we can coordinate it. And the neuromotor system is a form of the foundation of the control of movement. So, human nervous system is divided into two main sections, which is CNS, which is called as the central nervous system, and the second section is PNS, the peripheral nervous system. So, the first one, CNS, central nervous system, a nervous system that includes brain, spinal cord, cerebellum, brainstem, medulla oblongata, and PNS, peripheral nervous system, is any structure of nervous system that are not around the skull or inside the vertebral column. For example, the nerve at your hand, the nerve at your fingers, the nerve at your toes, and the nerve at your legs or limbs. So next, the neuron. This is the basic building block of the nervous system. The other name for neuron is a nerve cell, right? So the neuron function is to transmit impulse throughout the body, yes. And then the neurons also have three main parts, which is the dendrite, the cell body, and the axon. So what is the function of the dendrite? The function of dendrite is to receive impulse from the other neurons and carry the impulse to the cell body. And cell body, it contains nucleus which will control all the activity in the cell, and the cell body is to connect to the dendrite, which bring the information to the axon later. Axon. The function of axon is to carry impulse away from the cell body toward the other neurons. Alright, so there is a layer that surrounding the axon. It's called as myelin sheath, and this thing will protect the axon from getting harmed, and it's also function as to transmit the electrical impulse quickly and efficient along the nerve cell. So next, types and function of neurons. There are three types of neurons, which is sensory neurons, motor neurons, and interneurons. So the other name for sensory neurons are known as efferent neurons. So the function of the sensory neuron is to send information to the CNS. For example, if you touch a hot water, your receptor will detect the pain and send it to the CNS or the brain, and you also can call it as central nervous system. What is motor neuron? Motor neurons is also known as the efferent neurons. There are two types that influence the voluntary movement. For example, alpha motor neurons and gamma motor neurons. So how motor neurons work? So these neurons, it sends the impulse from the brain to the effector. So for example, like to moving your hand from the hot object. Next, interneurons. Interneurons is as a connection between the axon descending from the brain and the synapse on motor neurons, and axon from sensory nerves and the spinal nerve ascending to the brain. That's all from me. Thank you for watching and thank you for lending your ears. I hope you guys understand, and stay safe from coronavirus. Thank you very much.